sa di mo po alam, si Lala Chan po is 5 years old. Biggest squirrel from Japan. Ang favorite fruit po niya ay strawberry. Hello, kids! Hi! Ayan, okay. Follow po tayo kay Lala Chan. Follow po tayo kay sa akin kids. Okay, wait lang. Hi! Okay, dito po tayo sa lahat po ng dito. Dito po sa boy corner. Bongo area, banner area. Hello po. Hi! Ayan, join po tayo sa ating sports game po na gagawin po sa ating event area. Okay, kids. Ayan, balik na po tayo po. Punta po tayo sa ating event area po. Okay, giveaway muna tayo kay Lala Chan. Giveaway po tayo kay Lala Chan, kids. Okay, both side. Okay? O, both side muna po tayo. Follow tayo sa likod ni Lala Chan. Yan, very good. Okay, yung iba po, pwede po tayo mag-inside dito sa ating event area. Yan. Okay, very good. Okay. Nandito na po lahat ang ating mga kids. Okay, kids. Magbibilang po ka ng 10 seconds. Kailangan lahat ng kids nandito na po. Okay, sana po kapagbilang. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nandito na po ba lahat? Pwede mo po kayo humabol. Okay, reminders lang po, parents and guardians. Sa likod na po tayo Lala Chan board. Sa gilid po tayo. Dito po sa front po natin, lahat po ng mga kids lang po muna. Lahat ng kids dito sa gitna, parents and guardians, sa likod po tayo ni Lala Chan. Para po makita niyo po, ano ang gagawin ng ating mga kids. Okay? Ayan, pwede mo po kayo humabol. Okay, kids, hands up. Hands up. Okay, hands up or hands up. Taas mo ating kamay, dalawang kamay. Okay, shake, 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 shake. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Jump, very good. Okay, touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Hands up. And then down. Very good. Okay. Hi. Okay, when I say hi, you will shout hello. Hi. Hi. And very good. Okay, for tayo mong start, kung papakilala mo na po ang event team. My name is Ate Percy and kasama ko po si Ate Iya and Ate Joanna. Ayan. And our special guest, na lovely and bubbly na si Lala Chan. Say hi to Lala Chan, everyone. Hi. Yan. Okay, sino mo dito marunong sumayaw? Hands up. Okay, dahil dyan, meron kong warm-up dance si Lala Chan. Pero po, tuturuan kayo ni Lala Chan kung paano sumayaw. Okay po ba yun? Yes. Okay, ready? Ano muna Lala Chan? March. Kids, march tayo. March. Yan, very good. And then, shake your head and shake your shoulder. Yan, very good. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and then, shake your tummy and bottom. Ayan, very good. 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and then, sway yung kamay. 1, and 1, 2, and then last, up, down, and up, and down. Ayan, very good. Okay, natindihan mo ba? Okay, sasayaw tayo ng my music. Okay, Ate Joanna, ready na? Okay, kids, march! Okay, shake. Very good. Okay, sway. Hands off. Okay, march. Okay, from the top tayo. Okay, shake your head. Okay, tummy. Sway. Okay, sino mo dito kaya alam na game sa Tug of War? Ayan, hands up lang. Okay, sit down po lahat. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay, very good. Okay, kids, meron tayo dito root and marker. And meron tayo dito vlog po natin na kung sino po pananalo, ha? Ito yung palatandaan natin. Okay? Ang unang gagawin, maghila po sila Ate Joel at Ate Iya. Yan, ganyan. Pag yung marker natin po is napunta sa side ni Ate Iya na po dito. Yan, ganyan. And then, magkakawa po ko ng 1 to 15. Pag yung marker po is nakisnay kay Ate Iya, ibig sabihin po, panalo si Ate Iya. Pag yung marker naman napunta sa side ni Ate Joanna, ng ganyan, magkakatulis po ko ng 1 to 15. Pag yung marker po nakisnay kay Ate Joanna, ibig sabihin po, panalo si Ate Joanna. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? Okay. Before tayo mag-start, may safety reminders po si Lala Chan. Okay. Ano yung Lala Chan? No pushing, no running, hold our up firmly and enjoy our game. So, okay kids, stand up po tayo po. Stand up. Okay. Gagawa tayo ng dalawang grupo, Group A and Group B. Okay, before that, group yourself into 10. Okay, group yourself into 10. Go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, nag-grupo na ba? Ate Joanna, mas malaki dito sa kabila. Malalaki. Okay, alternate po tayo. Dapat maliliit, malalaki. Ayan, very good. Okay, arms forward. Arms forward po tayo, kids. Okay, arms forward. Okay, tingin kayo kay Lala Chan. Paano mag-arms forward, Lala Chan? O, ganun daw po. Arms forward. Ayan, yung kamay po nasa harap. Yan, very good. Okay? Ayan, kids. Wala po nang hihila po sa ating tali. Hahawak lang po muna tayo. Hold the rope muna po tayo, okay? Ayan, dito po sa side po ni Ate Joanna, kayo po Team A. Anong team po kayo? Team A. Dito naman sa side po ni Ate Iya, kayo ang Team B. Anong team po? Yes, okay. One, go, Hina, go, 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 go. Go, 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 Hina. Go, Timmy. Go, go, Timmy. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, very good. Hands up. Hands up yung mga hands up. Ayan po kami ang Team A. Okay, so second round po Okay? Si Tom first. Kuya, hands up yung dalawang hands. Hands up yung dalawang hands. Okay, listen mo na kay ate ko ah. Nakikinig po ba kay ate? Nakikinig po ba? Okay, hands up muna. Okay, arms up. Okay, kids, nakikita niyo ba yung box dito sa gitna? Ano yung nakalagay? Nakalagay? Surprise! Okay, magbubukas po lang yung ating box. Pag sumigaw po kayo na, surprise na malakas. Okay? Okay, sigaw tayo ha. Ready? In a 3, 2, 1. Ready po na na? Okay, hindi na kailangan mas malakas pa. Ready? In a 3, 2, 1. Ayan, very good. Okay, hands up na. Hands up na. Hands up. Hands up. Sit down. Sit down na po tayo, kids. Sit down. Okay, sit down first. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down first. Yan, very good. Lahat tayo magsisiglan po ng ating surprise nila. Dyan, hands up na po ating kamay. Hands up. Ayan, pupunta po sila ate. Pupunta po sila ate para lahat kayo ay mabigyan. Okay, hands up ng ating hands. Hands up lang. Okay, kids, hands up po ating kamay po. Okay, sit down lang. Sit down po tayo po. Okay. Okay, kids, hi! Hi! Okay, wait po natin ang ating dulo po. At iluwanan na lang pa isa. Ayun po sa dulo. Okay? Ayan, hi kids! Okay, may sasabihin po ako. Pag sinabi ko pong kids doon ang isisigaw niyo po, hooray! Kailangan malakas po Okay, practice po tayo. Every 2, 1, kids doon Hey, okay.